Hello friends, myself Satya Sani, a faculty for IAS for last 15 years. I am going to start a channel on YouTube to provide content and current affairs for IAS, PCS and judicial exams. First of all, I am uploading certain videos on preamble in different parts. Please study carefully and try to solve previous year questions for PT and mains exam. Please like and subscribe these videos so that you can get notification for all future videos. Thank you. Most important thing after fundamental right in our constitution is preamble. Some overview I am giving how I will be discussing this topic. This is the first thing. I will be defining the preamble. After that we will be discussing nature of the preamble. Then whether preamble is part of the constitution, combined with whether preamble can be amended or not. And after that, what are the importance of the preamble. And then we can come to the body of the preamble, the content of the preamble. But briefly, even before the definition of the preamble, we should know some word mentioned in the preamble so that we can take some words to discuss the importance of the preamble, nature of the preambles. So first of all, please, from the bare act you can see the preamble, what are the words written, underlined there, or you can separately write. I am trying you to make you memorize the preamble so that you can remember preamble. Everyone should remember the preamble, what are the content of the preamble. So please try to remember preamble. Preamble is before us, but we should remember. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. Please care. Preamble start with the word we. There is importance of word we. Later I will be taking we. Here we. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into what? Sovereign, then socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to ensure its all citizens what? Justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Jalif. Then expand. I am expanding to remember for you. Preamble can be divided in two parts. Justice, how many types? What are written there? How many types of justice? Social, economic and political. Social, economic and political. You can remember like this way, same. Social, economic and political. Liberty, in liberty, what is written? Yes? You remember this letter, Tev. In the last I will be discussing each word in detail. But we first of all we will be defining the nature of the preamble, then amendability part, then importance of the preamble, and later I will be discussing each word. But here please remember here liberty of what? Thought, then expression, belief, faith and worship. And equality of what? SOP. SOP is what? Equality of status, opportunity, and to promote them among all. And fraternity. I am giving what this ADUI, assuring dignity of an individual and unity and integrity of the nation. Whole preamble can be divided into two parts. The first part, sovereign, socialist, secular. Sometime in exam, this series is asked. In which series these words are there? So please you have to care. Sovereign, socialist and secular. Democratic, republic. This part of the preamble is known as ideals. And this is known as aspirations. This preamble can be divided into two parts, ideals and aspirations. What is ideals? Ideals are means. Path. By following this path, we have to achieve the aspirations. Aspirations means goals, objectives. These are the goals. Justice, liberty, equality, fraternity are the goals before Indian society. Objective behind the Indian society. But what are the paths? What are the means? By following, we have to achieve these goals. These are the ideals. And what are the ideals? What are the paths we have to follow to achieve our goals? The paths are sovereignty, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. What are the opposite words for this? Our constitution prohibits. We can't follow this path. What are the opposite words for this? Please tell, what are the opposite words for this sovereign? Yes? What is the opposite path for the sovereign? Our constitution prohibits this path even to achieve these objectives. Opposite word of this sovereign is what? Slave. We can't sell Indian sovereignty for development. To achieve these goals, India can't sell its sovereignty. What is opposite of socialist? Please tell. Opposite of socialist is what? Capitalist. Capitalist, even we can say communist. Even opposite of socialist may be communist. Later I will be learning this thing. I am writing here capitalist. Capitalist, also communist. To achieve these goals, India can't adopt this complete 100% capitalist path. Neither it can go for communist. What is the opposite word for this? Secular. India is a secular country. What is the opposite word? Theocracy. Theocracy. Theocracy means a country has a particular religion. Like Pakistan. Pakistan is a religious state, theocratic state. Thea means religion. A state has its own religion, like Pakistan. Muslim Islamic country becoming like a. Our constitution prohibits that. Although the term secular is later added in the constitution, this is not original, but that has been added through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. And therefore question can be raised, and that is subject to Supreme Court interpretations. Then democracy. What is the opposite word for democracy? Autocracy.
dictatorship, autocracy. The India can't go for dictatorship, autocracy. Even to achieve development for India, for any type of development, to achieve all this goals, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, dictatorship is not welcome in India. This is prohibited in the constitution. And what is opposite of republic? Yes, kingdom. Kingdom, like UK is kingdom, Japan is kingdom, New Zealand is kingdom, Australia kingdom. Later we will be understanding the meaning of kingdom and republic. So these are the paths. Ideal means you have to follow, achieve the objective mentioning. One by one, each word later you have to discuss. And after these two parts, what are written in the last? Yes? Last, what are written? In our Constituent Assembly. In our Constituent Assembly, what written? What written? In our Constituent Assembly, this 26 November 1949, we hereby what? Adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this constitution. Please note down three words: adopt, enact, and ourselves. Here is we, started with we, the people of India, and last is adopt, enact, and ourselves. Later, we have to discuss one by one ideals and aspiration, and also importance of we and adopt, enact, and ourselves. I will be taking help of these words in importance of the preamble. Our preamble uses what? We and ourselves. It means what? Our constitution was made by people and devoted to people, and therefore in India people are supreme. Another enacted word is there. Our constitution is what? Enacted constitution by Constituent Assembly, democratic methods, not through a dictator. And it is only preamble that talks about our constitution is enacted constitutions, which has been adopted. I think summary of the preamble is clear. Yes? Summary of the preamble is clear. Now we should come to definitions. How to define the preamble? Please, first dimension I am taking definitions. How to define? We can define preamble. A preamble is summary of the constitutions, preface of the constitution, and it is very essence of the constitution. Essence. Please, this you write this line in exam. You use this word. Essence of the constitution. It is soul of the constitution. In the preamble is क्या? आपकी आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही. प्लीज टेल. यस. हेलो. It's be Sikha, please be louder. Preamble is summary. अब हाँ अब आ रही है. हाँ yes let can yes. Preamble is summary of the constitution. Essence of the constitution, very essence, सार जिसको कहते हो, सार, essence of the constitution. In re Berubari case, next line also you should know. In re Berubari case, Supreme Court held that. In re Berubari case, Supreme Court held that Tremble is the key. Tremble is the key to open. Tremble is the key to open the mind of its makers. Tremble is the key to open the minds of its makers. A statement is clear. Yes, a statement is clear or not? Please tell what is meaning of this. What is meaning of this? This question statement can come in exam. Means what? Please repeat. What was the intention? You were talking. Yes? Yes, you are right. But more lucidly we can say that what type of dream Indian constitution makers, our forefathers dreaming about Indian society. If you have